Han, don't call me kid.
Get up.
I'm not your kid, and don't tell me that. Chill out, kid.
People, let me tell you about my best
friend.
Good morning, Philippines.
Cleaning time. Dustbin installed. Starting the cleanup. Hi guys, gamitin ko na tong peppermint. Ang liit ng ano oh. Good morning everything. Good morning guys. Nakalimutan kong mag-good morning sa inyo. So maaga po tayo naglilinis. Peppermint po yung ilagay ko dito. Dito. Let me see kung meron pang laman. Parang meron pang laman ba? Lagyan, mag-mix tayo ng peppermint. So, hopefully, okay lang to. May mix na siyang oil. Kaso, kailangan ko lang siyang mag-add. Kasi ayaw ko yung binili ni Tammy, guys, na ito, oh. Ito, oh. Ayaw ko yung amoy niya. Look, yung lavender and lemonade mix. Ang pangit. So, okay na lang siya. Pwede siya sa, ano, yung parang sa bathroom. Look. So, let's turn this on. Hold on. So, okay na siya. Yan. So, ito, ilagay ko to sa bathroom. And then yan, ito naman may tubig. Hi guys! And, busy lang tayo sa kakalinis. And, bumili tayo kahapon ng orange. So, ilagay lang natin siya dito para hindi na siya sa bag. Dapat si Tammy kahapon, andito na siya. Kaso, nakalabas siya kahapon mga, I don't know, mga 5, 6. Yan, umuwi siya doon sa isang bahay. Pahinga lang dapat siya guys, magpahinga, ganon. And then, drive siya dito. Sabi pa niya, o sige, sabi niya kagabi, o sige, magpahinga muna ako and then, uuwi ako bago ka magising. Andyan na ako. Siya daw magpakain ng alaga namin. So, ngayon, 4 o'clock na. Nagising ako ng 4 o'clock kanina. Sabi ko, tawagan niya natin. Anyari, baka nag-drive na. Diba? Baka nag-drive na siya. Ganon. So, tinawagan ko siya. Sabi pa niya, anong balita? Sabi ko, are you driving or you're still in bed? Sabi pa niya, nasa bed pa daw siya. Sobra daw sakit yung paa niya kahapon. Yung isang leg daw niya, sobrang sakit. At saka napagod daw siya, natulog. Tulog na daw siya, hindi na daw siya nag-drive. Nag-decide siyang hindi na daw siya mag-drive. So, yun. Kaya andun, tinawagan ko ngayong umaga, pagising ko, tinawagan ko, sabi ko, anong plano mo? Uuwi ka? Sabi pa niya, oh, maligo na ako. Bakit maligo ka? Dito ka na maligo. Sabi pa niya, oh, I like the water here. Pressure daw. Kasi malakas talaga yung pressure sa tubig doon. Kasi nandun sa city, di ba? So, maganda rin yung tubig doon. O sige, sabi ko, bilisan mo maligo kasi ano na, dapat andito ka na. Na-miss na kita, sabi ko. Na-miss na kita. So, wala pa siya dito. Ito na yung orange natin. Jujus ko to mamaya kapag andito na siya para meron siyang mainom. So yun guys. Hintayin ko na lang si Tami. Naglilinis ako, naglalaba. And yun, inano ko yung pabango ng sa bahay kasi parang naamoy ko na yung mga kahit anik-anik eh. You know, alam nyo naman, close yung window kasi mainit. Yung hangin pa, tuyok lang. Sabi ko, ay mag-ano tayo, maglagay tayo ng scented oil kasi gusto kong maamoy yung mga mint. Pa-relax kasi yung peppermint. So, peppermint yung nilagay ko. Naglinis lang ako, naglalaba. Tinapos ko yung labahan ko kahapon kasi meron tayong labahan kahapon. So, yun. Laba-laba. Hindi pa ako nagbihis. Kasi wala naman akong lakad. Ay, gusto kong magpaganda or mag-ayos sa sarili. Kaso wala naman akong lakad. Sabi ko, wala akong lakad. At saka ang boring ng life. Dito lang tayo. Aalis ako pero naisipan ko, hindi na lang ako aalis. Meron naman kaming gulay. Mag-ano na lang ako. Hanap ng makakain namin. Alam nyo guys yung plano ko. Isama ko kayo. Maghalongkat tayo dito sa sa basement. Yes, ang daming gamit. So, samahan nyo ako dito one day, maghanap ng i-donate, tipunin, para ipadala sa Pinas. Kapag mag-start tayo dito, kasi plano kong maghanap ako dito na ititipon ko, and then ipadala sa Pinas. So, paano yan? Practical, being practical, pero itong asawa ko talaga, mahilig. And impractical talaga itong asawa ko. Anyway, so maghanap ako dito ng madi-dinner namin. Ano ba? Ay, maganda itong lutuin ba? Masisira man ito ba? So, ang anuhin ko ito na lang. Kasi, yan. Easy breezy cover girl. Roast beef. Mag-roast beef na lang kami. I-defrost ko lang siya kasi matagal itong lutuin guys. 1 hour. Kapag frozen. Masarap ito with rice and gulay. Kasi sobrang tender talagang roast. Nagproblema ako. Look, napadami yung bula. Ang napadami yung kaysa ito yung ginagamit ko ba, yung Ariel. Yan. Dito ito yung gamit ko. So ngayon napadami ko yung lagay ng powder. So ngayon yung machine nahirapan nag-spit ng tubig kasi bula. So ngayon ang daming bula doon sa loob, nahirapan. So I guess nagre-rinse na sana ito pero ang daming tubig. So, hindi ko alam what's next. So, pabayaan ko lang yan siya. Let's see kung anong reaction. Kung hindi siya mag-ano, so I have to extra rinse na lang.
It was your job to say, well, you know what? I better fill this up before he gets home. This way he don't spill all over the place.
Guys, he just come home, guys. He just get in the house. The first thing he does is fill up the water and look at it. Look what he do.
Because my wife don't fill up water.
And he always forget. And look, he's doing something while he's doing it.
Because hopefully he'll be back before the water's empty. Otherwise, I'm gonna die of thirst.
No, hon. Seriously, I do that, hon. I don't do it when there's still enough.
There's not even enough.
Hon,
For one
stop
cup of
it
coffee.
now, okay?
There's not even enough for 1 cup of coffee there, hon.
The water, honestly.
If I hit go now, it wouldn't make any coffee. So
That's really easy to fill up, honey. Anyway, so say hi to everyone, honey.
hi everyone, honey.
Oh, Jesus.
Hi everyone. Oh, I didn't ask you either. You have to wait for my call.
Guys, I forgot the person who sent me message about, oh my God, Thunder vest, Thunder something shirt. So, I look online, guys, yung mga reviews. Yeah, and it's really working for the people who did reviews.
They've been around for 100 years. They work.
You never told me that we have a dog that
Because
goes
you'll
crazy.
never do it.
I will do it.
You have to put it on. It has to be on tight. It's too tight. I gotta make it loose. If it's loose, it doesn't work.
Okay, then we're gonna do it. So, I am going to order it on, sa Amazon lang ako, guys, mag-order. And, so yan. So, thank you whoever sent me a message. I forgot your name.
Well, that's rude.
I do forget. There's a lot of people messaging me, Han. I don't remember all the names. So, yun. Bilhan ko si Roxy ng Thunder shirt. Kasi si Roxy is not just Thunder, guys. Gunshots.
Stress.
Yes, stress. Gunshots, loud noise, rain, wind.
Well, you keep it on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
So,
You never know when there's gonna be gunshots. It's not like you know, oh, gunshots coming.
No.
This is gun territory.
no, if I do it intentionally for just, I buy intention for the, for the Thunder. So, guys, andito na siya. The first thing he does is give me laundry. Binigyan ako ng laundry. So, guys, naparami yung ano. Bakit sumakit yung ano ko? Oh, my God. Oh my God, yung mga ano ko sumakit dito, connected dito. So, guys, dahil maraming ano kanina, you know, yung bula ng sabon. So, ang ginawa ko is, quick wash without sabon. So, 2 beses. So, ngayon, okay na siya. So, idadry ko na lang. Ito, yan. I-dry natin. Dry. You love your dada? Give mama a kiss. Give mama Give. Tingnan niyo itong mukha niya. Ang sweet man kasi, wey. I love you. I love you so much. I love you. Sobrang cute man yun, wey. Pagkahimus. Himus. May plano ako sa zucchini. Gagawa sana ako ng zucchini platters. I used to make that before. Pero wala akong milk. Nakalimutan kong bumili ng milk. So, ang gagawin ko, I will just cut it and bake it. Lagyan natin siya ng seasoning, cheese, yung parmesan cheese, and i-bake. So, yun na lang yung gagawin ko. Para naman and then okay naman kasi nag-defrost din ako nito. So, hindi pa ito nakita ni Tami na ito yung kakainin namin mamayang gabi. Hi guys, meron lang akong tinatapos na ini-edit and then inaanuhan ko yung video. Tinapos ko yung video kasi hindi ko na in the vlog. Niluluto ko na, nilagay ko na lang sa oven itong So, dyan sa oven yan. It's in the oven already, Han. And then I still gonna make some. Do we have vegetables here? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna cook more. Oh, we have, okay. But it's not enough. I'm gonna make more.
Fine, I can salad.
Han, we have like 5 zucchini.
I got salad. You can have zucchinis.
Then I'm not cooking this. I'll cook it tomorrow na lang. It's really hot, Habs. Tignan nyo yun. Nosy man talaga ba? You're so nosy, uy. Tignan natin si Manoy. Tignan na natin. Aray! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, I need water. Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Yung steam, napasok yung kamay ko. Oh my goodness! Oh my... holy moly! Ibalik ko. Oh my God! Yung steam! So, ngayon, i-mix ko lang siya. Lagyan ko ng juice. Lagyan ko ng juice yung ibabaw ng mix. Kuha tayong malapad na neck. Mataas yung handle para hindi mapasok. Kasi palagi akong napapasok. Every time na ilagay ko talaga yung kamay ko sa ilalim ng oven. Pasong-pasok, guys. Grabe, guys. Pasok. Ibalik natin. 5 minutes na lang siya. Pero gusto ko yung matagal kasi gusto ko talagang lutong-luto. I mean, luto naman siya pero i-separate ko lang siya para yung flavor is sumukot-sukot. Yan, ganun. Ito yung gustong-gusto ni Tami. Yung ganito. Yung ilagay mo yung and I'm going to cover it again. I'm so clumsy.
Beef sauce in it.
Yeah, ito na siya, guys. Hold on, guys, ha. Ito na siya. And then, masarap siya. And then, also, the dog love this sauce. So, look, masarap talaga siya, guys. As in, no joking, kidding. And, ipakita ko sa inyo, you can buy this at Costco. And, this is what it looks like. You can add vegetables you want. You know, baked vegetables and mixed it together. It's so good. But, you know, we don't have those vegetables. Brussels sprout, and squash, and, you know, zucchini. Very tender, and that's our dinner. Yeah, it's rainy days. And that means we cannot cut the grass for the whole week. We cannot cut the grass for the whole week.
Okay, the grass will be happy that way.
Huh?
The grass will be happy.
Yeah, but and Harold's grass, it's really tall.
He hired somebody.
He did?
Yeah.
Yeah, but why they don't cut?
He had to because it's lawns.
Yeah, but why they don't cut?
I don't know.
They don't cut.
He said the guy's getting really cheap to do his whole property for $80 or something.
$80 for a week? A month?
No, every time he cut, once a week. But he's got a big property over there. Like all that property.
$80, that's a lot of once a week. Wow, that's a big money, huh?
Well, until he gets his lawnmower taken care of. I told him he could use ours.
And what did he say?
I said no.
Yung kapitbahay, nanghiram sila ng lawnmower namin once. And then, so okay yung lawnmower, what happened was, natakot sila kasi the next week, si Tommy, ginamit niya yung lawnmower. And then si Tommy, natumba doon sa gilid. Natumba siya kasi hard head kasi ito si Tommy. So, he kind of knocked down. So, sigaw siya ng sigaw. That was why they're so afraid, because you keep yelling at me, shouting, and then you tilt over, and then your voice is so loud, and Amy is like calling Harold. That is what happened. Harold went away, and then he called Harold to come home because she panicked because maybe he did something in the lawnmower. And then after that, they don't even wanna use it.
Yeah, but I think said they did nothing. He just. And I told him, it's not, whatever it was, I told him.
I know you told him.
It had nothing to do with him, so.
Yeah, it's nothing to do with him. You just tilt over there, and you like, because you don't listen. You always do that over there, so don't do that. Because I weedwhacked it. Ngayon, hindi na sila magbaro kasi natakot sila. Kasi baka sila yung nakasira. Ito mang nakasira.
I didn't even eat your food yet.
Oh.
Get out, kid.
Han, don't call me kid.
Get out.
I'm not your kid, and don't tell me that. Chill out, kid.
Get out, kid.
Han, you only do that to your kid, your niece, your friend, not to your wife.
Oh, you're not my friend? Is that what you're saying? Oh, okay.
Han, it's not
I
good.
know, I get it.
Han, Han, can I tell you something?
What?
I heard something online.
Yeah, what
Okay. You know, usually couple would say, okay, you're my best friend, you're my husband, you're my friend, like that, la la la. So I heard somebody online said, my husband is my husband, and he is my, you know, like, you know, and they never said my best friend. Because can you imagine best friend? They said they never called each other best friend. There is a word that's stronger than best friend. I forget.
Soulmate.
Huh? Soulmate. Yeah, soulmate. Not like best friend. Because best friend and they're like having good times in bed.
People, let me tell you about my best
friend. What is that?
One boy, Kelly, toy, my pride, my joy.
That's
Courtship of Eddie's father.
Okay, I hear that song all the time. Yeah. Can you sing it again? I like that. Can you tell me something about my best friend?
People, let me tell you about my best friend. One boy, Kelly, toy, my pride, my joy.
Han, what is it?
Because he's a widow.
He's a widow, and
The widower and you know it's only him and his son. And that's the opening song of the show.
okay. Me tito people beep when. I say that also. They use that song advertise, Han.
Yeah, but this generation doesn't even know what it's from. So
Yeah, but I hear that song.
my generation, we know where the song came from.
Yeah, this generation doesn't
They
do
don't know
that.
shit.
All they know is, oh, free, government free.
Yeah, no shit.
La 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 la. Ganyan kami, guys, kahit walang kamera, kami dalawa magtawanan na lang, and then you know, yung mga pangalan ng mga artista, ganun. Mahilig kami sa ganun ni Tami. pangalan ng mga celebrity na dito, yung sa movie. And then, mag-ano kami ba, tignan-tignan namin yung kung sino yun siya, ganun. Yan, mahilig kami sa ganun. Pag walang camera, ganyan yung ano namin. Parang fun time. Wala, somebody's calling you love. Snacky. Snack time? What are you drinking? You buy a lot and you drink, huh? So now which one you're gonna drink? You take out.
This is just chunk stuff.
That one is just what, juice?
It's not juice.
It's just like a juice?
No, it's not. That's
Re-
what I said. That's why it's a different label, because it's not the same thing.
So what is it really?
The nectar is basically just pieces of fruit.
Oh, that's nice, hon.
Yeah, well, you gotta mix it somehow. You drink it.
You eat it in your spoon. You spoon it. That's how you eat it. Spoon. Luckily, there's no seed.
There's seeds.
There are seeds?
Yeah, little black seeds.
There are seeds?
Little black seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay then, so they put the real thing in there. Hi guys, so we're gonna end the vlog. So, it's already 8:24 na. So, mag-inom lang si Tami nitong. It's very, very guyabano smell, guys. Oh my God. It's really guyabanic.
Try.
Huh? Try. Like, I eat that in my whole entire life. And then you say try. That's why we've been eating that one since a child. So we're gonna end the vlog, and I miss that guyabano.
You gotta eat the fruit with it. The fruit's
Yeah.
got a soury bite to it.
Of course, I know that. You don't have to tell me. Tommy has never seen a real guyabano, so he's asking me the size, the shape. So give me a kiss.
Well, they charge you $120 for 6 of them.
It's expensive, right?
That's crazy money. So
I
I
love
figured they
you.
should be a side of the car.
See.
I love you too.
Good night. And let's see you night to the viewers. Na, say bye-bye. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye, guys.
See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.